Hey team, how's it going? So this is going to be step 2 of HYROS, setting HYROS up correctly. Probably one of the best things that you can do inside step 2 is just verify after you've set it all up that tracking is in fact working correctly. So we want to make a test at the end, okay? But in step 1, we set up a domain tracking script. So we basically created a CNAME record inside of the DNS. What that does is it creates a custom HYROS tracking script for us. Okay, so you'll notice that it says T dot and then designcomfort.co right there. That's because there's a CNAME record inside the DNS. So this is a custom tracking script. The default tracking script looks like this: t.hyros.com. Okay, so for the purposes of anyone that's using, like, let's say a VPN or an ad blocker, a pop-up blocker, or a special browser or incognito mode, the HYROS default script could potentially get blocked. Not 100% of the time, but it's possible. When we do a domain tracking script, this is like just better, okay? Better in all ways. So that was step 1. Second step, after we've done that and placed the HYROS tracking script on all of our pages, is to integrate the various ad accounts that you have. So we want to integrate everything, okay? Now, just for the purposes of this video, we have like Shopify, Klaviyo, okay, TikTok, Meta, Google Ads, okay? So once we've integrated these, just basically just signing in with like our ad platforms, signing in with our payment processors, okay, like Stripe or ChargeBee, Authorize.net, PayPal, whatever it is, we want to just make sure that we do that. And then we want to place tracking parameters on all of the ads. Now, the best way to get the tracking parameter that you need is just to go to tracking sources, okay? And then auto source parameters. This right here is the HYROS tracking parameter for Facebook, okay? And so what that looks like inside of a Facebook ads account, and I'll show you. So once you're inside Ads Manager, okay, you're going to go to your campaigns and you'll select all of your campaigns, okay? So you're going to select them. Whoops, come on now. Boom, boom. Okay, so we'll select all the active campaigns. Then we'll go to the ad sets and we'll select all the ad sets. We'll go to the ads level and we'll select all of the ads. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on columns, okay? You're going to customize columns. And inside the search bar, you're going to type in URL parameters. You're going to select it, and then it's going to go all the way at the bottom. You're going to drag it to the top, okay? So you're going to drag URL parameters to the top, and then you'll want to save that view, okay? So save it, and then you'll have this right here. We can expand these out, but you'll notice that the Facebook parameter is right there at the start, okay? So you'll select all of your ads, edit them, scroll all the way down to the bottom, click on URL parameters, and paste that parameter inside the URL parameters area, and then publish. Okay, guys? So that right there is what you do just for like Facebook. You'll do the same thing for Google, and let me try and show you that actually. So when we're inside Google, okay, you just go to your campaigns, and then we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to go back to HYROS, okay? We're going to look for the specific parameter for Google Ads. Now, this parameter is specifically only for like standard ads with Google, okay? Now, for more like in-depth like campaigns, like let's say Performance Max campaigns as an example, we just go to the documentation, type in the word Google, scroll down, no, hold on. Here we go, full setup. So Google Ads, full setup guide right here, written guide, scroll down, and then we can see like Performance Max or Smart campaigns. So there's different types of parameters that we would copy, but just for the purposes of this video, when we're inside here and we have just like standard Google campaigns, which are just like search, or even like YouTube, something like that, right? All we got to do is just go to the campaigns, click on the ad groups, and then what we're going to do is select the ad groups, okay? You'll make sure that you select all of them. You'll click edit, and you'll click change tracking templates, okay? And then you'll paste that tracking template right there and apply, okay? Now, same thing, just like in Facebook, we want to click on columns, modify columns, and then we want to search for a column, and we want to do tracking template, okay? So you select tracking template, it's going to show up at the bottom, you're going to drag it to the top, and then you'll save your column set. You can probably call it HYROS if you want, apply, and then we can also go right here and then just click this little pencil icon. So just expand it out and then click the pencil icon and then click test, okay? Now this is what we want to see. We want to click on this actual link, and this is what your clients are going to see from their point of view, okay? So we have like our opt-in page, and then we have GC_ID equals, and that right there's the campaign, the ad group, and the ad IDs right there, guys. Main thing that we want to make sure is that those parameters are there, and if we right click with our mouse and inspect, we want to make sure that the HYROS universal, so you'll search for universal inside elements, that the HYROS universal script is inside this page, okay? Super, super important. And then we go to console. We want to make sure that we see universal script highlighted in green inside the console. That means it's firing, okay, guys? And then what we'll do is we'll actually opt in, okay? Just like as if we were a customer. And then you're going to go back inside HYROS, go to sales data, leads, and then you're going to search for your email that you opted in with, okay? And then you're going to click on that customer's journey, and you're going to be able to see their entire journey, or your journey, and you'll be able to see the click history, everything. That's how you know that HYROS is actually working correctly. And then the same thing with Facebook. What we're going to do is at the ad level, we're just going to click on edit for an individual ad, click this drop down right here. Well, it's not letting me show you, but there will be a button that says share a link, okay? Click that and then copy that, all right? And then just opt in like you would, okay? Same exact thing with Google. Just click that link, open a new tab, and then just scroll through Facebook, click on it, opt in, and then you should see that that is coming inside HYROS like so, okay? Hope you guys like this. Let me know if you have any other questions.